let's talk about warrior poses. We have warrior 1, we have warrior 2, and I know of warrior 3. We have peaceful or reversed warrior and other variations. But today we'll just be focusing on warriors 1 and 2, or Virabadrasana A and B. So in warrior 1, you really want to dig a lot deeper than maybe you have been in your yoga classes. A lot of times people will do a warrior 1 with their knees bent like this right knee bent, and maybe their arms up and apart. This is incorrect method. If you really want to do it properly and gain the benefits, then you have to spread your feet almost as wide as your mat. You need to get your knee bent at a 90-degree angle, so your left or your front thigh is going to be parallel with the floor. The back leg needs to be straight, and you need to be squeezing your kneecap as you press the outer edge of your back foot to the floor. Then turn and try to level out your hips. And then inhale, bring your palms together like a prayer position and reach the arms up. Make sure that the arms are straight and you're looking to your thumbs. You have a nice bend in that front knee, and breathe for 5. Breathing for 4. 3. Breathing for 2, straighten those arms. And 1. Now let's do the other side. Keep the arms by the ears. They're just your arms. You can hold them there and turn your feet to the other side. Now we're doing the right knee. Go ahead or left knee, it doesn't matter. Bend that knee as much as you can. Straighten the back leg. Twist, twist forward. Hips even, arms straight, look up. Keep bending into that front knee. Get that thigh parallel with the floor and breathe for 5. Breathing for 4. 3. Straighten those arms, press those palms. 2. And 1. Now we're going to move into warrior 2. So we'll start on the second side. Open the arms. You want to make sure you're squeezing the muscles of the arms and that your fingers are not spread or relaxed. They're together and flat. Reach forward with the right hand, reach back with the left. Don't lean forward or back. Make sure your hips are right below your shoulders, and you want to bend that right knee or the front knee to make sure that leg is bent at a 90-degree angle and the back leg is straight, and you're still squeezing that kneecap. Go ahead and gaze forward at that front hand and breathe for 5. Good. Breathing for 4. Squeeze those arm muscles. 3. Make sure your right knee isn't tilting inward. 2. And 1. Let's do the other side. Inhale, straighten that front leg, switch your feet. And then exhale, we're going to bend into the opposite knee. Sink lower. Good. You may need to use a mirror or camera to make sure that that front thigh is parallel with the floor. Squeeze the back kneecap, arms straight, look at your front hand, shoulders over hips, and breathe for 5. Breathing for 4. Breathing for 3. Breathing for 2, little lower, straight arms, and 1. Inhale, straighten that leg, and bring your arms down, and you can bring your feet back together. Great hip opener and a great leg strengthener. Make sure you're doing your warriors properly to be the best in the class.